Hello, my name is Patrick Jamison, and today we're going to install the WinDoor Series 9998 pivot door. In this video, we're going to unpackage the product, talk about the components, and describe some of the tools that you're going to need for this install. Here are some of the suggested tools that you'll need. Beginning with your level, cordless screw guns, both impact and standard, airbags, 25-foot tape measure, glass cup, and the appropriate sealant. Here's our main frame and pivot door. Here's our frame with the components all wrapped together. Here's all the parts and components laid out. Starting with the first box, here's our assembly screws, plugs, and keepers, our handle set, our speed adjustment tool with instructions, an Allen key for the pin on the pivot door, our left and right jams, our header, our sill, and all the covers for the sill, the header, and the jams. To recap, I've now unpackaged the product, showed you some of the tools that you're going to need, as well as described the components. In the next video, we're going to assemble the frame, and I'll show you where to apply the appropriate sealant.